Are you looking for a way to clean up your Android lock screen and remove the clock for a more minimalist, clutter-free look? Whether you find the clock helpful or just prefer a sleek, streamlined aesthetic, removing it is easier than you might think. To get started, simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade and tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to open your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find Lock Screen and tap it to access the lock screen customization options. From here, look for the Edit button within the lock screen settings, which will allow you to personalize your lock screen exactly how you want. Tap on the clock display and you'll see an option to remove it altogether. Just select No Clock and you're one step away from a cleaner lock screen. Don't forget to tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Your lock screen is now free of the clock, giving it a more minimal and stylish appearance. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your sleek new lock screen.